Okay, let's try the next. All right, a story. Well, if there much so, another witch story. Got it? The next witch game? All right!
The fate of the planet Vegeta and that of his son, Kakarot, hanging in the balance. Bardock shouldered the weight of destiny and went to face Frieza alone. Frieza! Ready? Fight! Why, you... You bore me! Be gone! What? What? I'll crush you! I'll blow you away! This ends now! Face me, coward! Lord Frieza!
Lord Frieza!
It's time to settle this. Planet Vegeta's fate. And mine. And yours too! This ends now! What? Kakarot! With a single blow, Frieza brought Bardock's desperate struggle to a bitter end. In an instant, the Saiyan race, the planet Vegeta, and Bardock were wiped from existence. But as he slipped from consciousness, Bardock saw a faint glimmer of hope. Hear me, my son. You must be the one to avenge the Saiyans and the planet Vegeta! Bardock's battle against tyranny is over. However, his untimely end marked the beginning of the legend that is Goku.
What do you shoot? My friends and I have plenty of. Oh, a new scenario's been added. Okay, Gohan, I'm power. You can now. You can if you equip Z.
Oh, so it's you. Then you can treat. Well then, select 2 Z items. To match up, let's start